Most people think you must pay every month before you can use powerful AI tools. Tools for writing, video creation, image design, coding, and automation are becoming more expensive every year. But what if I tell you that in 2026, you can legally use many paid AI tools for free, and in some cases, even unlimited? In this video, I'll show you the real methods smart creators are using right now. No hacking, no cracked software, and no illegal tricks. Everything I'll share is completely legal and safe. Let's start with something important. When we say free and unlimited, it doesn't mean breaking rules. What it actually means is using official free tiers, developer access, open source alternatives, and platform partnerships that most people don't know about. First, let's talk about AI writing tools. Many popular AI platforms offer free plans that reset daily or monthly, but most users waste them because they don't know how to use them properly. Tools like ChatGPT free version, Claude free access, and other AI writers allow high-quality outputs if you structure your prompts correctly. One smart trick is breaking one long request into smaller prompts. This alone can multiply your usage without upgrading to paid plans. Next is Google's AI ecosystem. In 2026, Google offers several free AI features inside tools like Google Docs, Gmail, and Workspace Labs. You can write articles, scripts, emails, and summaries directly without paying for external AI tools. Many creators ignore this and end up spending money unnecessarily. Now let's talk about image generation. Instead of paying monthly subscriptions, you can use free platforms like Bing Image Creator, which uses advanced AI models with daily credits that reset automatically. You can also combine this with open source image tools available online. When used together, you can create unlimited thumbnails, designs, and visuals without paying. For video creation, this is where most people lose money. Many AI video tools charge expensive monthly fees. But in reality, several platforms offer free exports, trial resets, and browser-based AI video tools. Some allow unlimited usage with watermark removal only as a paid feature, meaning if you're smart with cropping and editing, you can still use them effectively for YouTube and social media. Another powerful method is using open source AI tools. These are tools created by developers and shared freely with the public. Many of them perform almost the same functions as paid platforms. The difference is that they require slightly more setup. But once you understand them, you can run AI writing, image generation, voice cloning, and even video enhancement without paying monthly fees. Let's also talk about AI voice tools. Instead of paying subscriptions, you can use free text-to-speech tools that allow natural voices with daily limits. When combined across multiple platforms, you can create unlimited voiceovers legally. Many big YouTubers already do this. One secret many creators don't know is browser-based AI access. Some companies partner with browsers and search engines to provide free AI usage. That means instead of visiting the main AI website, you access the same technology through a different platform, completely free. Another powerful strategy is student and developer access. Some AI platforms offer free credits for developers, testers, or students. Even if you're not a developer, many tools provide testing environments that allow extended usage. This is fully legal and publicly available. Now here's something important. Never rely on only one AI tool. The smartest creators use multiple free tools together. One tool for writing, another for images, another for voice, and another for editing. When you combine them, it feels like you're using one expensive paid system. But in reality, everything is free. This is exactly how small creators scale fast without burning money. Instead of paying for one all-in-one AI tool, they build their own AI workflow. However, I must be honest with you. No AI company will give unlimited premium access forever for free. But what they do offer is enough power to grow your channel, start making money, and then upgrade later if needed. If you're a beginner, free AI is more than enough. You don't need paid tools to get views, subscribers, or monetization. What matters most is how you use the tools, not how expensive they are. If you want, I can make a full list of the best free AI tools for writing, video, thumbnails, and voice in 2026. Just let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tech updates. This is Cboy Tech, and I'll see you in the next one.